Hey guys, a video on Rocketlab on the daily here. Last Friday we had a nice volume candle, not in the low. You know that I prefer to have it in the low, but it's okay. Overall, the futures have opened very well in favor of stocks in my opinion. Gold and silver down, oil down, S&P up, S&P closing in on this previous swing high here, which I want to take to confirm that this is the low, okay, at 7,500. Now Rocketlab, we talked a lot about this one in last week. Swapped into this being a 1-2 with then this 1-to-1 flip taken from the A to the B wave. We have found support there together with the point of control of this range and the golden ratio at 82.24. Now let's see if we can get back inside this wedge, okay, and then we can focus on the upside. Before these 2 point of controls here, maybe this one is not so relevant anymore, but we will have this one here that is relevant. Like this. Okay, so first of all, let's try to get back inside here, and then this will be the level to focus on. Will we fail to get above it or get above it and hold above it, then we can focus on the all-time highs. And of course, we want to see on the micro a nice 5-wave move to the upside. For now, this is not ideal. The fact that we have an 886 here in the low. Okay, maybe if we look at the X standard. No, also here. Not a fan of that, but once again, often an 886 hit indicates that we're gonna still take the low. Okay, but in this case, I might ignore that because of how the market is looking now, and we will go with this being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a larger 1, 2, and now the wave 3. Okay. Now just to check that if this is indeed a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, we found support at the 618. Super nice with the point of control here. S&P pushing again, nice. Damn, 7% now. Really, it's moving like I saw this thing moving for a while now while I was zoomed in here. Didn't notice it was already up 7. Okay, that's nice. So then for a third wave, this will be the target box. So you want to try and reach the $91 level at least. Can stretch higher, maybe even go higher, so that with the wave 4 here we can hold above the trend line and then make a 5th wave to have a nice 5-wave move to the upside. This is what we need to further confirm that this is the low and that we're gonna go to all-time highs. Okay. Now looking at ASTS, similar here. Look, we are at the target fib for the wave C that we had here. The 1-to-1 here as well. We talked about it once we saw weakness in here and once we lost this point of control. Now 3 and then a 3 in here and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in here. Highest volume here inside wave 3. Then moving down on lower volume with now a slight bullish divergence as well. So looking good, and I think this might go as well. Okay, we have now got the SpaceX IPO behind our back. Okay, the volatility, I think this IPO volatility has passed. Okay, doing analysis on this one really tricky though still. So let's see. I'm not gonna do anything yet on this one. Just show you that, look, we also have on this chart an 886 hit, so it could go down and take this low easily, but really there is nothing on the chart. I really want to see first a 5-wave move up or down to give myself a little bit of confidence in what's going on here. For now, we don't have that and will not focus too much on this. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.